Hello everyone, welcome back to Cooking Clean and Everything Between. If you are new to my channel and like easy and delicious recipes, this channel is for you. So go ahead, click on the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. And in today's video, I will show you how to make the fluffiest condensed milk bread.
And with that, we have 3 cups of flour. Add 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1 teaspoon of salt, mix, make a little hole in the center for the egg, add 1 egg, and mix. Add 4 tablespoons of melted butter. Mix. Add 1 cup of milk, room temperature. Add 1/4 of a cup of condensed milk. Mix. Add 2 1/4 teaspoons of yeast. And mix.
If you're enjoying this recipe so far, go ahead, click on the like button, leave me a comment, tell me what is your favorite food, and you can also leave me a suggestion as to what you would like to see me make next.
I add 2 more tablespoons of flour, and I'm gonna take this out of the bowl and knead my dough.
Guys, I ask you to share this video with anyone you know. That will help my channel grow.
Warm up a towel on your microwave for about 1 minute and tack your bread. And wait to rise for about 40 minutes.
40 minutes pass by, and as you can see, the bread doubled the size. Now you're going to knead your dough a little more, and you're going to create your bread. I am using a loaf pan, but you can use any pan you have, and after I put in my pan, I let the dough rise for about 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, as you can see, the dough rise all the way to the top of the pan, and right here I will just put a little bit of an egg wash on top and bring it to the oven. And here it is. We have a nice looking bread. And again, guys, this is a condensed milk bread. It's nice and sweet and fluffy. Let's take this out of the pan. I also add a glaze to the top of this bread, but if you don't like too sweet of a bread, just skip this step completely. For the glaze, I use a half a stick of butter and a half a cup of condensed milk, and I just mix this together. and spread on top of my bread. And here it is, everyone, fluffy, easy, and delicious condensed milk bread. As always, I'm so grateful to have you in my kitchen. I thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video, and I hope to catch you on the next one. Ciao!